Getting Windows on a PC for free. While Microsoft allows you to use Windows for free on a PC, it does come with some limitations in comparison to an activated Windows license. But wouldn't everyone just get an activated copy? Well, the downsides of getting a license are that it costs a lot of money, starting at a whopping $140, and that's just for the Home Edition. The good news is that you can do some messing around with the registry files to get it, but some people are scared to, as any mess ups could be fatal to your PC. So, in this video, I show you how you can activate Windows for free without getting your hands dirty. So, let's get into it. To actually prove to you guys that this works, I'm going to go open up my settings and I'll head over to activate Windows. As you can see over here, it says there is no product key found. Well, that's going to change in a few seconds. Over here, I'm going to open up, I have this activation.txt file, which will allow us to run some commands in our command prompt. So I'll have these in the description to copy, and you'll know when to not copy. Like for example, I have like a hyphen, and then tells you what it does. So I'm gonna have this exactly copied into the description, but stop at the hyphen. So for example, in your command prompt, you'd only copy this part, not this, because this tells you what it does. And I guess if you were looking at it, you can see what each line does. So now you want to open a command prompt with elevated privileges. So you can just type in cmd and run as administrator. Unless you have your user account control things changed, you're going to get this pop-up. Obviously, you want to hit yes so we can move forward. And now we see our command prompt. So we want to start off by just copying pasting the first part. So Control C, and I just copy it like that. As you can see, you'll see what it outputs, and it'll say the product key has been installed successfully. Next up, we want to copy this, which will apply some key management. Copy and paste. Then you're going to say that the key management service has been set. Finally, you want to do this, which will save all changes and apply the product key. And you just give it a sec. Doesn't do it immediately, so you just wait for a little bit, and within a few seconds it'll activate. And you can see Windows 10 Pro has been activated. We can go back to our activation page, and we see Windows is activated using your organization's activation device. If you had a watermark in your bottom right corner originally, you'll see that it's gone now, because now you have an activated copy of Windows. We can go back to Home, and then to Personalization, and you can see through Windows, we can just activate it however we want. So, that's pretty interesting, and it doesn't take long. Unlike other tutorials out there, they usually talk about going into your registry files and putting in key value pairs. As I said in the beginning of the video, we're not going to get our hands dirty. And, believe it or not, these commands already messed with the registry for us. Since everything's automated by a computer, there's a very low probability that it's going to mess up your PC. And that can be proved because, well, we have an activated copy and that watermark is gone. So that's pretty much it, and not really anything much to it. It was pretty simple, and wow, I was originally surprised at first, but now we'll head off to the outro to finish up the video. Alright, so if you enjoyed the video, don't be afraid to hit that like button, and consider subscribing if you want to see more of these tech mods. As I usually say, and I'm not kidding about it, if you like and subscribe, this lets the YouTube algorithm know that my videos are good, and this will let more and more people enjoy the content that I deliver to you guys. So, Just really hitting those 2 simple buttons would mean a lot, especially if you enjoyed the video. So, thank you guys for tuning into this short video, and I'll see you in the next tech mod.